I'm going to discuss the range from 3 coins to $3 million in this video. Recoins caught my attention in the middle of last year and have since demonstrated growing promise. Welcome to our channel, Finance Experts. Let's dive in. Number 3. GMX Token. Investors are running away from centralized exchanges and trading more and more on DeFi as American and European governments coming down hard on cryptocurrency in every way. In order to assure honest trading and genuine liquidity protections for traders, GMX, which is swiftly establishing itself as the industry leader in DeFi leverage trading, implemented numerous features into the platform. The blockchain serves as the collateral for everything. It's not made up money as it is an FTX on a spreadsheet. The money is secure, just blockchain, no assistance. Too big to fail companies or molecules. Let's move on to the GMX token now. It's a supercharged governance token that distributes to owners 30% of the platform fees earned. As a result, it is valuable and useful from the beginning. A unique aspect of tokenomics in the cryptocurrency world, GMX has a market cap of $500 million as of this recording. The cost of a token is also $69. The 10x could be achieved for GMX based on the basics of tokenomics, but the highest price for coins might potentially be beyond $800 in 2025. The inconsistent previous performance of GMX. Now let's look at some of the price history for the GMX. Even if past performance shouldn't be used as a predictor of future outcomes, understanding how the token has performed in the past can provide some context if we want to either analyze or generate our own GMX price predictions. The price of the GMX cryptocurrency has varied a lot throughout its entire existence. It launched on September 14, 2021, with an opening price of $14.99 and experienced an initial uptrend until reaching a high of $40.05 on October 30, 2021. The following month, the value of the cryptocurrency increased even further. On November 13, 2021, its trade volume exceeded $5 billion. On November 16th, it added support for the Magic Internet Money meme stablecoin. GMX rocketed to an all-time high of $217.32 on the same day. Where can GMX be purchased? On centralized cryptocurrency exchanges, GMX tokens can be traded. The most popular exchange for purchasing and trading GMX is OKX, where the most active trading pair in the past months was GMX/ist, with a volume of $561,078. Binance and Bitget also are two additional well-liked choices. Number 2. Optimism. Take it to the point where Optimism is a natural second choice. Currently, Optimism is a must-have selection for all portfolios. Layer 2's number 2 on Ethereum has distinguished itself from the competition. Since OP has a considerably lower market cap and a lot more ability to grow, I entirely understand the decision to choose that. Since the release of its token last year, Optimism has generated a lot of excitement. The fact that OP has a collaboration with Coinbase has truly brought OP to everyone's attention. They are developing a base, which will be the Layer 2 networks for Coinbase. Optimism and its holders will undoubtedly benefit much from this as a key source of income. Even while I think Optimism is a good option for the bull run in 2025, its supply will be around $4 billion, so the market cap will have a lot more work to do to get to where it needs to be. Always remember to consider tokenomics while selecting individual investments for your portfolio. Any staking or lockup will benefit tokenomics in the long run as the OP roadmap is still being put out. At this time, the OP has a chance to 12x or more by the end of 2024 or by 2025. However, institutional funding might raise that even further. How do you use Optimism? Users of Optimism report similar user experiences to those on Ethereum mainnet. Your Ethereum mainnet address, which starts with 0x, is also your Optimism address. The blockchain explorer for Optimism is the same as the one for the Ethereum mainnet, Etherscan. How does Optimism work? Optimistic rollups are a type of rollup technology used by Optimism. They are known as rollups because they combine or bundle information from hundreds of transactions on the Ethereum mainnet, including non-fungible token, which is known as NFT mints, token exchanges, and any other transaction. When so many transactions are combined into one, the blockchain transaction, or gas, fee that must be paid reduces to just one transaction and is conveniently shared by all parties. In addition, because transactions are considered to be true until they are shown to be untrue, or in other words, until they are proven guilty. They are known as optimistic rollups. Potentially flawed transactions may be contested within a certain time frame by submitting a fraud proof and executing the transaction's computations using the available state information. Optimism reimburses the gas needed to run the computation of the fraud proof. Number 1. Blur. The Blur token is fueling the current NFT marketplace, and Blur represents the NFT marketplace of the future. Blur achieved something no one could have imagined. They deposed OpenSea, which had been the market leader in NFT. The NFT industry has been completely disrupted by Blur during this bear market by using a multi-pronged attack of airdrops, no fees, and a cutting-edge UI. This has given the NFT ecosystem new life. Blur isn't for the average person. Rather, it's high-frequency trading for NFTs, targeted at NFT whales and major players. This indicates that a lot of money is invested in Blur, and that the Blur token is quickly emerging as the WEB3 reserve currency. Earlier this year, Blur's initial airdrop provided the NFT market with a taste of what may occur when liquidity pours into NFTs. The market capitalization of the Blur cryptocurrency, which rapidly climbed up the charts, is currently $266 million. The Blur token, which costs around 58 cents, has been using this floor for the majority of the year. What warnings exist now regarding Blur token and Blur in general? That's saying something given the level of volatility we're used to in the cryptocurrency market. As new seasons of the Blur marketplace are opened, there is a lot of sell pressure pushing the price of the Blur token lower. So it's important to plan your exits before the season starts. Blur, however, has a lot of room to grow, so don't allow this danger to discourage you from paying attention to it. How does Blur function? For NFT traders, Blur offers a one-stop shop with special features like trait-based floor listings, automatic metadata updates that show the artwork of recently launched NFTs, and floor depth visualizations, preset petrol prices to improve trade efficiency. This shows Blur as more than an NFT marketplace, which is intended for long-term investors as well as customers seeking high-quality infrastructure and user experience. Blur is also targeted at advanced traders. The Blur NFT Marketplace. How do I use it? There are tens of thousands of marketplaces where users can exchange non-fungible tokens NFTs, which are digital assets. The specialized market never lacks new marketplaces, ranging from well-known ones like OpenSea and Rarible to more recent ones like LooksRare and X2i2. One of the newest players on the field is Blur. However, less than 5 months after its launch, the NFT marketplace has made news of exceeding OpenSea in a number of significant indicators, including daily trading volume and weekly volume. Okay, guys, this is the end of this video. Thanks for being to the end of the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and tell us what you think about this video below in the comment section. Let's meet again with another useful video.